Okay, so this is just a quick video to show you how to do green screen keying. So if you want to remove the background that you have on one of your videos so that you can see through to the clip below it, I will show you how to do that. First thing is, let's go to our project window, and this is the clip that we're going to make the edit to. Make sure you have that selected on your timeline. Go over to Effects and open up Video Effects and open keying and take Ultra key, drag it on top of your clip there. Then you can go up here to your source panel. It will look like that, but you want to go to Effect Control. If you don't see anything, click again on your clip on your timeline, and this will all be closed up. It'll have Ultra key on there because we've chosen that. So we're going to open this up, and you can see this little eyedropper here. We're going to click on that and click on the green, and boom, it's gone. So let me show you just a little bit about how you can edit that further. You can click this color here. If you have a specific color in mind that you wanted to take out, you can edit that there. If it didn't do a very good job of selecting the green, you can go over here and choose alpha channel, and you can see like the black and white version of it. You see how there's a little bit of trace lines there. You can go over to the setting and maybe choose aggressive, and it'll knock it out a little bit more aggressively. So there's other options that you can try to clean up your selection, but this is basically where you do it. And let's go back to composite so I can see the whole thing, and we'll play it back real quick. And there you have it. That's how to do green screen keying in Adobe Premiere.